How to reduce household electric consumption. The ever-growing problem of climate change and its effects on the planet is something that we must all take seriously. One way that we can help to reduce the impact of climate change is by reducing our household electricity consumption. Reducing electricity consumption is not only beneficial for the environment, but it can also help to save money and make life more efficient. This article will discuss various strategies for reducing electricity consumption in the home, such as implementing simple lifestyle changes, investing in energy-efficient appliances, and using solar energy. We will also look at the benefits and drawbacks of installing solar panels and using smart power strips. By taking the time to implement these strategies, you can reduce your carbon footprint, save money on your energy bill, and make your home more energy efficient. Unplug unused electronics. Unplugging any electronic devices that you're not using is one of the most effective and easy ways to reduce your electric consumption. Doing so will help cut down on energy costs, as well as help preserve the lifespan of your devices. To make it easier, consider investing in an outlet timer that can be programmed to turn off power to certain devices at certain times. Additionally, consider unplugging any chargers when you're not using them, as these can still draw power when no device is connected. Finally, make sure to turn off any electronics that are not in use, as leaving them on standby can still draw a significant amount of power. By following these simple tips, you can easily reduce your electric consumption and save money on your energy bills. Change to LED light bulbs. LED light bulbs are a great way to save money on your electric bill, as they use up to 85% less electricity than traditional incandescent bulbs. LED lights also last much longer than incandescent bulbs, so you won't have to replace them as often. To get the most out of your LED bulbs, try to choose bulbs with a higher color temperature, as these are more efficient. Additionally, make sure to turn off your LED lights when they're not in use, as they can still draw power while they're switched on. Finally, make sure to properly dispose of old incandescent bulbs, as they contain hazardous materials that need to be properly handled. By making the switch to LED lights, you can save money, reduce your energy consumption, and help preserve the environment. Buy energy-efficient appliances. When shopping for new appliances, it's important to look for energy-efficient models. Appliances that have earned the Energy Star label use up to 30% less energy than standard models, which will help you save money on your electric bill. Additionally, when shopping for appliances, consider both the purchase price and operating cost, as some models that cost more initially may be cheaper to operate in the long run. Finally, look for appliances that have a high annual energy rating, as this will give you an indication of how much energy the appliance will use. By taking the time to look for efficient appliances, you can save money and reduce your energy consumption. Install solar panels. Installing solar panels is one of the best ways to reduce your dependence on traditional energy sources and save money on your electric bill. Solar panels use the energy of the sun to generate electricity, so you won't have to pay for energy from the grid. Additionally, solar panels are relatively easy to install and maintain, and they have a long lifespan, so you won't have to replace them often. Finally, solar panels can increase the value of your home, so they can be a great investment. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that solar panels are becoming increasingly popular. Use smart power strips. Using a smart power strip can help you save energy and money. Smart power strips are devices that can be connected to your phone or Constellation Connect Smart Hub to control power flow to devices plugged into them. They can detect when a device is in standby mode and automatically cut power to it, preventing energy vampires from consuming electricity. Smart power strips with control outlets are useful for controlling devices while the TV is on, and those with motion detectors can turn devices on or off when people are nearby. In conclusion, reducing household electric consumption can be done by implementing simple lifestyle changes, such as turning off electronics when they are not in use, unplugging unused electronics, and utilizing natural light whenever possible. Additionally, investing in energy-efficient appliances, installing solar panels, and using smart power strips can also help to reduce energy consumption and save money in the long run. Taking the time to implement these strategies can help to reduce your carbon footprint and make your home more sustainable.